USDT versus USDC. I'm in the process of liquidating all of my USDT holdings into BUSD and USDC because it's a Ponzi scheme. Here you can see I've got $1,100. Got a limit order to convert at 0.00997. That'll give me an extra 50 cents. That'll be my last bit of USDT gone. As you can see, look, basically overvalue is when USDC is higher than USDT, and below is where USDT is higher than USDC, and there's quite a lot of variance. Look, 4%. That is 4%. That's large, and downside similarly about 2.5%. If you go out, you can see there's more variance to the upside is more probable than to the downside, which obviously reflects that USDC is relatively safer than USDT. Yeah, look, the spikes are higher and more often. But USDT is definitely a Ponzi scheme. I don't know to what degree USDC is, but if USDT goes, then I presume there'll be a high demand for USDC. People will flood into it, so force its price high. That's a stable coin. They need a stable coin. Anyway, so this will be my last bit of USDT. Get out while I can. So why did I not do it earlier? Well, because I basically did a 7-day fix on the 13th of June. I was just waiting for it to mature, and it's just matured. Redemption. Yeah, well, it just matured today. It's 146. It matured at 123, and that's why I put the limit order in to exchange it to USDC. So I am still in the process of getting out. This will be the last one. I'll hold the limit order. Let's see what the orders are. Spot orders. And there's the order there. Buy USDC 0.1100. I get about, if I did it at spot, I'm getting about 60 cents more. You know, it would be less than that. So I'm getting nearly $1 more. By using the limit order than buying at the market, I'm getting about $1 more, because as you can see, it's trading over. Let me go back. Why does it keep jumping to US Bitcoin? Why don't you just keep it where I left it? Okay, so USDT, there we go. See, current price is above 100, so you get less USDC. Yeah, because USDT is worth less. So this is where it's, if it was 1-for-1, USDC is trading higher than 1, so you get less USDC. Whereas I put the limit order here 997. Yeah, you can see it there anyway. 997, so it's slightly less than 100. It should do, because if you look at the trading range, yeah, it does oscillate around 1 during the week. So it should get triggered, and I should end up with $1 better. Though I would have earned that $1 during 7 days anyway. So anyway, I'm just going to leave it for about 3 or 4 days, and hopefully USDT won't explode in that 3 or 4 days, and then just finally do it wherever it's triggered. If it's not got triggered in 3 days, then I'm just going to do it at the market. But it's better than, 50-50 chance it will get done in 3 days. See, it does oscillate. It goes up and down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And these spikes are probably more Binance, stopping people out of their stop limits. That's what they tend to do, push people out at the worst possible position so that they lose their money. That's why you should not use stops on Binance. Anyway, this was a quick update in advance of the great crypto bear market. Do check out my latest comprehensive in-depth analysis, that full spectrum analysis. I cover everything. I compare platforms. I've looked at, investigated 5 black swan events, of which USDT is one. You know, I take a real look at Binance and why I say you should avoid all of their derivatives. They can't be trusted. They're going to stop you out. But you can check out my previous video for why you should avoid the derivatives. Anyway, all of that is in my extensive analysis that's first been made available to patrons who support my work. So do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $3 per month, as we wait for the cryptos to fall, where USDT could be the trigger. These are all my limit orders. Wishful thinking, 19,000, and that's only my initial buy of Bitcoin. You know, I funded the account with £5,000. That's about $7,000. It's got this GB to convert. I'm just waiting for that to come. I should have done it when it was over 140, but I didn't. I put a limit order of 1.4171, which obviously is not going to get hit now. I made a, well, the thing is, when I initially funded with £3,600, that did get hit, and I did get a lot of dollars at 1.417. But for this one, when I put the money on, I put the limit order on again, and it wasn't hit. So now I redid the position with a 1.93. I think the current rate is 1.398, 1.3838, yeah, 30. So it's 1 cent lower. So it should get triggered. You know, you get intraday volatility. Anyway, these are limit orders. Wishful thinking. Look, .8.8 Ethereum 1100, well below 50% its current price. So do check out my extensive analysis, which includes a detailed trend forecast for the Bitcoin price, as well as a model portfolio, what I'm going to do over the next 6 months. The trend forecast is for 6 months as well. And there's an example of my previous forecasts. As you can see, it tends to be quite accurate. Yeah. So do check out that, and consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $3 per month, as we wait for the great crypto crash of 2021 to unfold. How low could it blow? Well, if USDT goes in, I would not be surprised if Bitcoin's trading at $10,000. It wouldn't surprise me. But my initial buy is here, just under 20,000. That's initial. I basically funded I'm gonna invest something like $15,000. I popped in about 7,000, maybe 20,000. I don't know. Yeah, I don't want to put it all on Binance, but Coinbase is garbage. So they charge you 3.84%. just for the privilege of funding your account. Yeah. Coinbase Pro is a poor platform. People say, oh, use Pro instead of Coinbase. Yeah, it's better, but it's still poor. 0.5% fee. They charge you 0.5% fee for buying, 0.5% for selling. That's 1% spread, 1% fee. And then they charge you 3.84% to get your money on account. Because the only way to deposit is to buy crypto, and that costs 3.84%. I've tried to get funds on account, but I've verified it, and then they just send the money back and keep it as unverified. See, I don't want to put all was it $15,000-$20,000 onto Binance. That all exit. Oh, that sterling, it's falling. That accurate. What's to be these spikes? These is to get people to stopped out. Because look, that's what this. You have to be aware of this leverage. What it means is, it means they can manipulate the price short term by changing the leverage. So say if you're short the pound, yeah, you shorted the pound and you put your stop there. Well, along comes the leverage tactics to stop you out. Same here. If you're long, if you bought the pound, well, I would not trade with stops with Binance because of these bad tactics they've got. Look at this. You know, I don't know, is that a real price? It looks real. Look, they say 1.4. What was the high? Close 1.75. What the hell is that? That's the effect of this number, leverage, that allows them to change the leverage. It's not fixed, it varies. It's supposed to be fixed, but it's not. If I can go on other markets, I can show you that how the leverage is not 2 times or 3 times. Let's see the down ones. You have to be careful with Binance. That's why I don't want to put all my money with them. If I go here, Binance down, oh, it's minus 2.25% times now. Minus 2.25 times. It changes. Look, it says between 1.25 and 4 times. Yeah, but it can be outside of that as well. What does that mean? It means you get spikes such as these. Yeah, so you can get stopped out. I would not trade any of the derivatives. Do check out my, I'm not going to repeat what I've said before. Do check out my other video and do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for extensive analysis. This video was just to update on getting out of USDT, the current state. I've got 1100 left, which will be gone within 3 days. Either it gets hit at that price or just do it at the market. Just bite the bullet, pay an extra $1. Just do it at the market. And then I will be out of USDT, and hopefully BUSD and USDC will survive the inevitable bloodbath that will be USDT imploding, which will take Bitcoin down, although it will go up in USDT. So that's the weird thing. They'll probably suspend the market. That's what will probably happen. If USDT goes down, then they'll probably close the market. Binance have done that before. They did it in, I think, 19th of May. When people trading their futures contracts, they basically shut down the market and then reopened it a few days later after they've all been wiped out. All those U stops and limits. That's what probably happened. The market will just freeze for USDT. You won't be able to get in or out, and there won't be a price. So don't buy buy Bitcoin, but don't hold USDT. All your orders in USDT will be frozen. There won't be a BTC USDT price updating. This is what I'm telling you what's going to happen, because I've got 35 years experience of trading, analyzing markets, investing. I know what they do, how it's going to play out. When USDT blows, there will be no price here. You'll be locked into your USDT orders, your USD holdings. you should be able to cancel your orders, your spot orders for BTC, and the BTC price will collapse because all of this run up, now I'm just repeating what I've already said in the previous video, but all of this run up is because of USDT mostly, because it provides 50 to 60 billion of daily liquidity, daily volume. It's providing it, and it's increasing over time by about 1 billion once every 2 or 3 days. I think currently it's around 64 billion. The market cap of USDT is increasing. It's a Ponzi scheme that's continuing to get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger until it plops. And when it goes, you don't know where the bottom will be. I'm going to be buying all the way down to $4,000. Hopefully Bitcoin will eventually recover. That's what I'm banking on. When USDT blows, it's going to go below this. You don't know where the bottom is, but I would not be surprised at 4,000. But you don't know where it's going to be. It could be, bottom could be here, 12,000, 10, 9, 8. You don't know, and you don't know if they're going to honor the orders either. You could put a limit orders in and they just not ignore them, not take them, just so they don't not out of pocket. That's another issue. That's why I need to get money onto Coinbase. I might just bite the bullet and open a corporate account, because they don't seem to wanna. I've verified it. They don't seem to wanna. See, and receive with the deposit. Alright, let me try and do deposit. This is what happens when I try and deposit British pounds. Deposit. Account restricted. You are currently unable to buy and sell crypto. Well, I can buy and sell crypto because I have done it. I put limit orders in, but they don't let me deposit. So how am I funding it? I'm funding it from nice hash mining. Yeah, not much, because there's not much. You know, that's why my balance on Coinbase is pretty low, because I can't fund it. I can send bitcoins to it from nice hash for free. That's it. So all this has come via nice hash. I'll probably send some more. I have to get a balance of 0.05. So this is what my GPU is generating in the background. I've got a small portfolio here as well. Yeah, not much. Total assets. Some limit orders there as well. But this, it's tiny compared to what my goal is, about $20,000 position in cryptos after they've collapsed in this range, for which you can check out my extensive analysis that aims to replicate previous trend forecasts. So there you have it. That's my current state of getting out of USDT, where I'm just waiting to get out of. So there you have it. That's my current state of USDT, where I'm just waiting for this limit order to get rid of the final amount into USDC, and hopefully it won't implode either. But you don't know what the fallout's going to be. I don't know what's going to happen. I guess it's going to have a permanent deviation to 75%. It's going to settle around 75% to reflect actual reserves. That's what I'm guessing. But, and they'll also probably freeze the market, the BTC market, because it won't be $1. The price will shoot up. If they don't freeze it, what will happen is this. the price will shoot up. And it's all, I don't know what happened there. So what will happen is, if they don't freeze the market, then the price will rocket in USDT. So you'll have to probably pay $50,000 for Bitcoin in USDT. That's what will probably happen. It'll probably settle around 25% higher, so maybe around $40,000-$50,000 to buy in USDT. That's what will probably happen. It'll settle after the collapse, and then it'll trade more to reflect actual assets of Tether, which are around 75%. They got lots of junk in there. You can't evaluate paper, corporate debt, loans. There's a lot of garbage. And they got these, they've loaned, what's it, the Bitfinex, I think that's what it's called. They're never going to repay those loans. Oh, but in percentage terms it shrunk, but you don't know if they've added more loans. It was about $1 billion. You don't know what it is now. They might have expanded it, but that's, you know, $1 billion is still, you know, about 2%, 1 to 2% of the USDT. It's a cent. So that's what will probably happen. It'll probably settle to reflect actual value and then oscillate just to become another market. And all those who hold USDT will take a hit. Initially there'll be a panic with people trying to escape. So it'll probably jump to $60,000. Say if a Bitcoin price, real Bitcoin price to USD remained at 36, it will probably jump to $60,000, then come back down to settle around 50. That's where it will remain after the USDT collapse. But of course Bitcoin price won't stay at 36. That will nosedive here. So USDT Bitcoin price will probably stay at 36 while the actual Bitcoin price halves once more. That's what's probably going to happen. Anyway, I'm all locked and loaded. I just need to get rid of this final bit of USDT, which I'll do within the next 3 days. That was a quick update on my current state of USDT and what I'm doing. And do remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel for new videos. Well, that was quick. It got triggered using this spike here. So I've now got no USDT. So the wallet should show USDC now 1100. What did I get? USDC $1,103. Let's look at. Here we go. So I got 1101.45 cents of USDC for 1101.11 USDT. So small gain. So now what am I gonna do? I'm gonna see if I can earn some. I'm not gonna use it anytime soon. So let's see if I can get some USDC. 14 days. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna need it. Should do. I'll do 7 days rolling. That way, in case I do need it, I've got it. So let's transfer. Maximum 11. I'll get $1. It's probably easier just to trade it, buy and sell. Should I try and do that? $1 here and $1 there. It might be easy just to buy and sell it. So look. USDC. So buy USDT here. And sell it here. Alright, forget it. I'll just put it in the earning. So I'm out of USDT. So the Ponzi scheme can collapse, but there will probably be some fallout. So let's just lock it for 7 days. Automatically, no, I don't want to automatically renew. So I'll get $1. 29th of June. Done. So there, that's me out of TUSDT, and do check out my latest extensive analysis. Yes, 3 weeks work of work went into this, and it's made available to patrons who support my work. So do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $3 per month, and for that you get advance warnings before everyone else. Like last Wednesday I was telling, sell your stock, sell out, and what did the stock market do Friday? Dropped like a stone. So do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $3 per month for in-depth analysis and detailed trend forecast, as well as occasional alerts, you know, for when there's something what prompts me to sell stocks, like last Wednesday, as we defend ourselves, protect ourselves from the rampant money printing inflation by the central banks. Insane money printing, as though it's not going to feed through into wage and price inflation. Big inflation is coming, as I've been flagging for over 6 months, more like a year now. And that's what I was saying last year. If you're thinking of buying big ticket items, do it now before the price hikes, which have transpired. You know, I bought a Corcher K7 for £340. Current price on Amazon is, was it $565, and similar for lots of other tech items I bought. For instance, the components in my PC that I ordered in January and got delivered in March was £3,100. Current price of the components is over £4,000. Crazy, the inflation is here, and it is accelerating regardless of what the indices say. So protect yourselves by investing in assets that are leveraged to inflation, and AI tech stocks are leveraged to inflation and are about to get discounted. So do subscribe to my YouTube channel for such analysis, and do consider becoming a patron. Crypto mania. Forget Dogecoin. Today I'm going to be mining budgie coin. What you need is a budgie. Just need one budgie to start crypto mining with budgie coin. Ooh, that's an angry bird. Eh? You're angry today, Mr. Green. So, this is how you mine budgie coin. Get rich, get Dogecoin. Alright, we need to grab that bougie. Yeah, it's a bougie coin, not budgie coin. Bougie. Come here, bougie. I need you. Hey! What are you trying to bite me for? We need a bougie. Take my bougie coin. There you go. Got a couple of bougies. Which one's more profitable? Green bougie or the blue bougie? I'm not sure at the moment. I have to check the exchange rate. Definitely the green bougie is more noisy. More aggressive. It's more aggressive to mine with the green bougie. Okay, so let's start mining with the blue bougie, the bougie coin. The blue bougie coin. Once you get one bougie, the others will come.